Pingree just opens doors wherever you want them to be opened. It's just a place where you can really explore what you want to.
There's so many ways for you to express yourself, whether it's classes, clubs, or sports. There's so many different ways that you can participate.
At Pingree, you're gonna fail, you're gonna mess up, you're gonna try a bunch of new things, maybe hate half of them, maybe love half of them. And I think the best thing is that you can always keep going. You're gonna succeed so much in so many different ways that you're not gonna think about all the little mistakes. People are gonna pick you back up, and that really helps you find courage. I'd never had people so interested in me and like wanting to challenge me and like pursue questions that I had never been asked before. That community is just so loving, I think, all of the time.
Pingree has definitely made me a person who speaks out and is willing to take initiative and say what's on their mind.
There's such a good balance between doing like the hard work and the difficult things and having the hard conversations, and then also having fun and realizing that joy is like just fuel for so many of us.
I love Pingree because to me it's home. It's a place where I feel connected. It's a place where I feel challenged. It's a place where I feel I can grow. I can be whoever I want to be.
There's an atmosphere around Pingree that sort of becomes a part of you. I love coming here every single day. It feels like a second home, and I can't imagine a life where I chose to go somewhere else.